Okay, we have lots of stuff to do. First thing first is I'm going with my aunt to brunch. There's Harley barking like usual. And then after I come home, do a little bit of homework, and then I go bowling with the rest of my family, and that's pretty much all I have planned for today. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. I had just taken out my hair from these overnight rollers, and I'm gonna redo them right now. Not because like I don't like how they come out, but I want the curl to last a little bit longer, so we're just gonna fix this really quick. There's already a curl, so it would be easy. Like, oh, nice. This isn't like, doesn't have to be perfect or anything. This is just, like I said, to preserve the curl. This is how I woke up anyways. This side is like always hard. Like this back part is like always hard to do. You're gonna play some music and do me makeup. While we let my skin rest and everything set in, we're gonna clean my room. We're now gonna do some homework, well, for a bit, because I don't have to leave until like 10.
An ongoing investigation.
He's identifying Jews as a threat to our people. What he means there is white people.
All right. Oh, where is the stretch? Yeah, I'm like, I just have a pinch nerve in my lower back. I'm gonna put away my clothes and then get ready. And then probably leave after. What time is that? I have no idea, whatever time it is. Oh, okay. Ah, pop my knee. I guess we'll just do a subtle like eye look. Let's do my typical Say Beauty Sun Glow. Look. Let me close my door. Okay, so this is the finished look. What do we think? So I have on press-on falsies, and one of the falsies got stuck. So now it looks like thick in the middle instead of looking like natural like this side. But it's okay. I don't even think you can really notice. We're gonna take a thumbnail really quick. I'm gonna fix my bangs really quick. It's raining. Anyways, I'm on my way to my aunt's. I will see you guys when I get there. Oh, that's right in my shot. See, cheese, Nana. Cheese, Nana.
Are you?
Yeah. And then I got some pancakes and coffee. And then you look at my plate.
Oh, that was nice of her.
They've always been close, feel well fed. We are heading home because, you know, I gotta do some homework, finish my laundry, and pretty much that. Because after I finish my laundry and do my homework, we're going bowling with the fam. We're gonna make a quick stop at Target because, you know, I need a new long sleeve. Because I'm gonna be honest, the long sleeves that I have, I don't really like them anymore because they're cropped. I don't have anything against cropped shirts, but I don't like when it's like form-fitting cropped, if that makes sense.
Okay, those of you that are from like Orange County and are
Lana, you're on this side, babe. How are you doing, Nana? With your
That's
bowling.
a bad angle. Hi. We're bowling and we all suck, but it's fun.
Who's we?
Oh. Come on, Day Day. Oh man, she almost got us right. Good job, Daisy.
Alright guys, after a long, eventful day, I'm going to bed early. I am absolutely tired. I did quite a bit of homework today. That being said, I will see you guys next time.